Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create and send an email campaign in your free Agile CRM account. First, log into your account. Look at the left menu and click on Campaigns. On the Campaigns page, click the blue Create Campaign button. A setup page will open. First, type a name for your campaign. Then choose Email as the campaign type. Click the Next button at the bottom. Now, you need to choose who gets the email. Click Add Segment. A list of your contact segments will appear. Select one, like newsletter subscribers, and click Add. Then click Next. It's time to design your email. Click on the Design Email button. Choose a template or start with a blank one. Click in the text boxes to edit the subject line and the email body. Add your message. When you're happy with it, click Save and Close. Finally, you're ready to send. On the final page, you can choose to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for later. To send it now, click the green Send Campaign button. Confirm by clicking Send in the pop-up window. And that's it, you've created a segment, designed an email, and sent your first campaign. You can track opens and clicks back on the campaigns page. If this helped you start email marketing, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.